Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Balkis here, and in today's video I'm going to be trying to glow up. So yeah, I'm basically gonna do my makeup and then put on a cute outfit and basically just glow up, you know? Because I think the last time I wore my makeup was like 1 or 2 months ago when I was doing shoots for my business, for my online business. So yeah, I'm so excited. Any further ado, let's just get started. Sorry about my eye bags. They're literally so thick because I slept at 3 o'clock in the morning yesterday because I was talking to my mom, talking to my sister. So yeah. Hey, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is, so I'm just gonna put on my foundation. Put it on my hand. Maybe that much. I don't really use a lot of foundation because, yeah. Ow, oh my god. Okay. That looks so little. But it's okay, I guess. Is this even how you apply foundation? I don't even know. Boy. I'm showing you this as if I know what I'm doing, but the truth is I don't. I truly don't. Is that too little? I think it is. You can see my neck. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put a pin on here because I really don't want to edit and put like hearts on my neck every 5 seconds. So just gonna put this real quick. Okay. That looks weird. Okay. Should I put more? No, I'm gonna blend this in. This is probably not how you're supposed to do it, but this is my way, okay? My way or the highway, okay? So, yeah. Gonna blend it out. Oh, I literally put it on my eyebrows like nobody's business. Does that look good? I look bad. Do I look bad? I think I do, but whatever. Now I'm just gonna put on concealer. This is the concealer that I use. I use the Maybelline concealer. It's a really popular concealer, so yeah. I feel like I always see YouTubers like use either this one or the Tarte Shape Tape one, but yeah. I don't really spend my money on makeup because I don't use my makeup all the time. What did I do? Okay. I don't really wear that is a lot. Okay, I don't really use my makeup all the time, so I feel like I don't need to buy any expensive makeup yet. But once I like use it every day, maybe when I go into uni, maybe I'll buy like more expensive makeup. But for now, we're just gonna use the drugstore one because I feel like they work the same. They probably don't, but whatever. So we're just gonna blend this out. Does that look okay? Oh my god, did I get it on my doodle? Okay, no. Hey, so that's what the face looks like. And next, I'm going to do my eyes, maybe? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna put like one thin layer of brown, but that's it. I think. I don't know. We'll see, okay? So, just gonna take this brown shade and put it. Is there a different brush I can use? Okay, so basically I left most of my makeup at my other house, so that's why I'm just like feeling it. I'm just trying to feel I don't think that made any difference. Maybe I should just use my finger. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay, now you can see a little bit of shadow. Just now it was like doing nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, now I'm just gonna put some gold. On both sides, of course. Okay, so that's what the eyes look like. I like it. It's a natural eye look, you know? Okay. And then now I'm just going to, oh my god. Okay. I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows. So, yeah. I don't really do my brows that much, but recently I got the, not Maybelline. Is it the Benefit brow set? Maybe I'll do a video of me trying it for the first time so it's more interesting, because it's not with me right now, it's at my other house. I might do that on the next video, inshallah. Next, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. I don't know how we're gonna do this without a mirror, but okay. And I'm going to apply my mascara. I use the Maybelline Push Up Drama mascara. That's what it looks like. And yeah, just gonna apply it. My hand is like shaking. I got my mascara on my shirt. Amazing. Okay. That looks pretty good. What's that? I probably should have brought like a mirror or like something, you know, to look at. Okay, so I found a mirror. I'm just gonna put it here and just look here, because it's so awkward. I'm just like right in your face, you know. Okay, so I messed up a little bit, but that's fine. I'm gonna put oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put the mirror like a little bit closer so that, yeah. Okay, I think I put enough mascara for sure. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting on highlighter. If you guys want like a more in-depth makeup tutorial on how I do my makeup usually, just comment down below, then I'll do a more in-depth one and show you guys what are the products I use and stuff like that. Okay, because I feel like this is more like a just like a chit chat, get ready with me, you know. Oh, you can see my hair. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna put it right here. Oop. Okay, I guess. I'm probably gonna put some in my inner corner. Ooh. Okay. And then I'm going to put on the other side. I'm looking at my mirror, by the way. You can't really see, but it's there. She's there. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose. I'm not gonna put a lot because I don't like too much highlight on my nose, but yeah, that's what it looks like. What's next? blusher. So as for my blusher, I'm just going to be using this orangey shade of blush. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can. It has like this orange tint because I'm going to be using like a lipstick which is orangey, like the shade, you know, it's more orange instead of pink. So yeah. Okay. I like to put some on my nose too because it's cute that way, you know. It's like I'm blushing but like not, you know. Oh no, it's kind of like when you're cold, you know, your nose gets like red and stuff. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm doing like all the steps and stuff wrongly. I'm no expert, you know. I just do what I know. So yeah, I literally forgot where all my makeup went because I haven't worn makeup in so long. I only wear makeup when I'm like doing makeup tutorials on my IG live. Guys don't know, I always do live on my Instagram, so if you guys want to, you guys can follow my Instagram, you know, check me out on the gram. I post like outfit pics and stuff over there. So yeah. Okay, moving on. Contouring my nose. Ooh, I've never done this, but should I use this brush? Is this the correct brush? It's probably not, but who cares, you know? It's my face. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I don't think I did that right, but okay. I'm clearly not an expert, but let's try. Something like phew. Whoa. Still on this side. Boy. It's like putting on chalk on your face. I'm just going to blend this so that it doesn't look too harsh. Do you guys think it made a difference? Kind of did, right? Okay, now I'm going to be doing my lipstick. Yeah, I think that's it, right? Am I missing out on anything? Nothing. Want me to do more of a glam makeup look? You guys can comment down below and probably I'll do like a get ready with me, but more of a glam makeup look where I use like colors like this, you know, like the colors, you know. If you comment down below, okay? So this is the lipstick that I'm using. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick. It's in the shade Versatile and the code 210. Okay. So just gonna put it on. But I really like this lipstick because it stays on your lips for like literally 24 hours if you don't take it out. Even it's still there, but the thing is it makes your lips look like chapped, like you can see like it basically like it dries out your lip. Thing I don't like about it, if you guys know any other like lipsticks which are good that doesn't make your lips look dried out, comment down below or DM me on my Instagram, okay? Because this is good, but it's like it makes your lips look and feel so dry, and I don't like that because girl, who wants dry lips? Like what? Did I get makeup? Okay, so I guess that's all for the makeup part of this. Now I'm just gonna change into my outfit and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back and now I'm wearing the outfit that I've chosen for today. I'm basically wearing this overall thing. Is that an overall? I'm not sure, but I'm wearing this with this this top with like bell sleeves. This is called bell sleeves, like these sleeves. I don't know what it's called, but it's really cute. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more of me, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to, you guys can follow my Instagram or even my TikTok. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Assalamualaikum!